Dear friends, this video is Chapter 3 of Basic Skill of Bulldozer, Maintenance and Inspection of Bulldozer. Useful to construction professional and technicians working in construction industry. Here we will discuss about A. Maintenance and inspection of Bulldozer. B. Routine maintenance tasks and schedules of Bulldozer. C. Inspecting and troubleshooting Bulldozer. D. Preventive maintenance for extended Bulldozer life. We'll now begin discussing a different topic. A. Maintenance and inspection of Bulldozer. Maintenance and inspection of a bulldozer is crucial to ensure its safe and efficient operation. Regular maintenance can extend the machine's lifespan, prevent breakdowns, and maintain its resale value. Here are the key steps for maintaining and inspecting a bulldozer. 1. Read the manual. Always refer to the manufacturer's manual for specific maintenance guidelines and schedules for your bulldozer model. 2. Daily inspection. 2A. Conduct a visual inspection of the entire machine. 2B. Check for loose or damaged parts, leaks, and loose bolts or nuts. 2C. Ensure that all safety devices, lights, alarms, mirrors, are functioning. 2D. Check for damaged or worn-out tracks or undercarriage components. 3. Engine inspection. 3A. Check the engine oil level and top up if necessary. 3B. Inspect the air filter and replace it if it's dirty or clogged. 3C. Check for fuel leaks and inspect fuel lines. 3D. Clean and inspect the radiator and cooling system. 3F. Check the battery for corrosion and ensure the terminals are tight. 4. Hydraulic system. 4A. Inspect hydraulic hoses and fittings for leaks or damage. 4B. Check the hydraulic fluid level and top up as needed. 4C. Inspect the hydraulic cylinders for leaks or damage. 5. Undercarriage inspection. 5A. Check the track tension and adjust it if necessary. 5B. Inspect track shoes, rollers, idlers, and sprockets for wear and damage. 5C. Lubricate the undercarriage components per the manufacturer's recommendations. 6. Transmission and final drives. 6A. Check the transmission fluid level and top up if needed. 6B. Inspect the transmission for leaks. 6C. Check the final drive oil level and look for leaks. 7. Brakes and steering. 7A. Inspect the brake system for wear and adjust as needed. 7B. Check the steering system for any issues or leaks. 7C. Ensure the steering is responsive and not overly loose. 8. Operator's compartment. 8A. Check the seat for damage and ensure it's securely fastened. 8B. Inspect the controls and gauges for proper operation. 8C. Ensure all safety features inside the operator's compartment are functional. 9. Greasing. 9A. Regularly lubricate all pivot points and joints as per the manufacturer's recommendations. 10. Fuel system. 10A. Drain water and sediment from the fuel filter regularly. 10B. Keep the fuel tank clean and free of debris. 11. Exhaust system. 11A. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks or damage. 12. Lights and electrical system. 12A. Check all lights, including headlights and taillights. 12B. Test the electrical system for any issues. 13. Documentation. 13A. Maintain a log of all maintenance and repairs performed, including dates and hours of operation. 14. Scheduled maintenance. 14A. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for major service intervals, which may include engine and hydraulic system overhauls. 15. Professional inspection. 15A. Periodically, have a certified technician perform a thorough inspection to identify potential issues that may not be visible during routine checks. Remember that maintenance requirements may vary by bulldozer model and usage. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines, and if you're not experienced with heavy equipment maintenance, consider hiring a professional technician for the job. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your bulldozer and keep it operating safely and efficiently. B. Routine maintenance tasks and schedules of bulldozer. Routine maintenance tasks and schedules for a bulldozer are essential to keep the machine in optimal working condition and extend its lifespan. Maintenance schedules may vary based on the manufacturer's recommendations and the specific model of the bulldozer, so always refer to the owner's manual for precise guidance. However, here are some common routine maintenance tasks and their recommended schedules. 1. Daily maintenance. Perform these tasks daily or before each work shift to ensure the bulldozer is safe to operate. 1A. Visual inspection. Conduct a thorough visual inspection of the entire bulldozer, checking for any signs of damage, wear, or loose parts. Look for leaks and ensure all safety features are functioning correctly. 1B. Check fluid levels. Engine oil, check the engine oil level and top up if necessary. Hydraulic fluid, verify the hydraulic fluid level and add more if needed. Transmission fluid, check the transmission fluid level and top up if required. Coolant, inspect the coolant level and top up if low. Fuel, ensure the fuel tank is adequately filled. 1C. Track tension. Check the track tension to ensure it's within the recommended range. Adjust as needed. 1D. Undercarriage inspection. Inspect the undercarriage components, tracks, rollers, idlers, sprockets, for wear and damage. Lubricate as recommended. 1E. Clean radiator and cooling system. Remove debris and clean the radiator and cooling system to prevent overheating. 2. Weekly maintenance. Perform these tasks on a weekly basis to catch issues early and ensure smooth operation. 2A. Air filter, inspect the air filter and replace it if it's dirty or clogged. 2B. Grease points, lubricate all grease points as indicated in the manufacturer's recommendations. 3. Monthly maintenance. Complete these tasks on a monthly basis to maintain the bulldozer's performance and reliability. 3A. Inspect belts and hoses, check the condition of belts and hoses. Replace any that show signs of wear or damage. 3B. Check battery, inspect the battery for corrosion and ensure the terminals are clean and tight. 3C. Brake inspection, examine the brakes for wear and adjust them if necessary. 3D. Steering system, inspect the steering system for any issues or leaks. 4. Quarterly maintenance. Perform these tasks every 3 months for more in-depth inspection and maintenance. 4A. Fuel filter, replace the fuel filter to ensure clean fuel supply. 4B. Inspect electrical system, check the entire electrical system for loose connections, damaged wires, or malfunctioning components. 5. Annually or after a specific number of operating hours. These tasks should be performed annually or after a specified number of operating hours, as recommended by the manufacturer. 5A. Engine service, perform a complete engine service, including changing the oil and oil filter, air filter, and fuel filter. 5B. Hydraulic system service, change the hydraulic fluid and inspect the hydraulic components for wear or damage. 5C. Transmission and final drive service, replace the transmission and final drive oil. 5D. Coolant system service, flush and replace the coolant, and inspect the radiator and hoses. 5E. Track replacement, if necessary, replace worn-out or damaged tracks. 5F. Professional inspection, have a qualified technician perform a comprehensive inspection of the bulldozer to identify potential issues and ensure it complies with safety standards. Remember that these maintenance tasks and schedules are general guidelines. Always refer to the manufacturer's manual for your specific bulldozer model to ensure that you are following the recommended maintenance procedures and intervals accurately. Additionally, keep detailed records of all maintenance activities for reference and future maintenance planning. C. Inspecting and troubleshooting bulldozer. Inspecting and troubleshooting a bulldozer is essential to identify and resolve issues that can affect its performance and safety. Regular inspections and troubleshooting can help prevent breakdowns and ensure the machine operates efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to inspect and troubleshoot a bulldozer. 1. Visual inspection. 1A. Start with a visual inspection of the entire bulldozer, looking for obvious signs of damage, wear, or loose components. 1B. Check for leaks, both fluid and air, around hoses, pipes, and seals. 1C. Inspect the tracks, undercarriage, and blade for wear, damage, or loose parts. 2. Engine inspection. 2A. Check the engine for oil, fuel, or coolant leaks. 2B. Examine the exhaust system for damage or leaks. 2C. Inspect belts, hoses, and the fan for wear or damage. 2D. Listen for unusual noises while the engine is running, which could indicate problems with internal components. 2E. Monitor the engine's performance, looking for irregularities in power, speed, or fuel consumption. 3. Hydraulic system inspection. 3A. Check all hydraulic hoses, connections, and fittings for leaks or damage. 3B. Test the hydraulic system by operating the blade and other attachments, ensuring they respond correctly. 3C. Listen for unusual noises while operating the hydraulics, as they could indicate issues with pumps or valves. 4. Transmission and final drive inspection. 4A. Inspect the transmission and final drive for leaks. 4B. Check for any unusual noises when shifting gears or while the bulldozer is in motion. 4C. Ensure the transmission responds properly to gear changes and does not slip. 5. Brake and steering inspection. 5A. Inspect the brake system for wear and damage. 5B. Test the brakes to ensure they engage and disengage correctly. 5C. Check the steering system for any issues, including excessive play or stiffness. 6. Electrical system inspection. 6A. Test all lights, including headlights, taillights, and signal lights. 6B. Check the battery for a charge and ensure the terminals are clean and tight. 6C. Inspect the wiring and connections for damage or corrosion. 7. Operator compartment inspection. 7A. Ensure all controls and gauges inside the operator's compartment are functioning correctly. 7B. Check the seat for damage and ensure it is securely fastened. 7C. Verify that safety features, such as seat belts and rollover protection structures, are in good condition. 8. Troubleshooting. 8A. If you identify any issues during the inspection, begin troubleshooting by isolating the problem and determining its root cause. 8B. Consult the manufacturer's manual or seek assistance from a qualified technician or mechanic to diagnose and repair the issue. 8C. Common troubleshooting steps include checking for error codes or warning lights, conducting diagnostic tests, and inspecting affected components closely. 9. Maintenance records. 9A. Maintain detailed records of your inspections, including dates, findings, and any maintenance or repairs performed. 9B. Use these records to track the bulldozer's maintenance history and plan future inspections and maintenance activities. 10. Professional inspection. 10A. Periodically, have a certified technician or mechanic perform a comprehensive inspection to identify potential issues that may not be visible during routine checks. Remember that addressing issues promptly and conducting regular inspections are crucial for the safe and efficient operation of a bulldozer. If you encounter problems that you are unable to resolve, it's essential to seek professional assistance to avoid further damage and ensure the bulldozer's reliability and safety. D. Preventive maintenance for extended bulldozer life. Preventive maintenance is crucial for extending the life of a bulldozer and ensuring it operates efficiently and safely. By regularly performing maintenance tasks and addressing potential issues before they become major problems, you can maximize the lifespan of your bulldozer. Here's a comprehensive preventive maintenance plan for a bulldozer. 1. Develop a maintenance schedule. 1A. Create a maintenance schedule based on the manufacturer's recommendations and your bulldozer's specific model. 1B. Incorporate daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual maintenance tasks. 2. Daily maintenance. 2A. Conduct a visual inspection before each use to check for visible issues or damage. 2B. Check fluid levels, tracks, and safety features. 2C. Lubricate critical points as needed. 3. Weekly maintenance. 3A. Perform more detailed inspections during the week. 3B. Check and clean the air filter. 3C. Lubricate grease points as per the manufacturer's guidelines. 4. Monthly maintenance. 4A. Inspect belts, hoses, and electrical connections. 4B. Check the battery and clean terminals. 4C. Examine the steering system and brakes for wear. 5. Quarterly maintenance. 5A. Replace the fuel filter. 5B. Inspect the entire electrical system for damage. 5C. Examine the undercarriage components thoroughly. 6. Annual maintenance or after a specific number of operating hours. 6A. Complete a comprehensive engine service, including oil and filter changes. 6B. Replace the hydraulic and transmission fluids. 6C. Check and adjust the track tension. 6D. Inspect and replace worn-out or damaged tracks and undercarriage components. 6E. Perform a complete system check, including hydraulics, brakes, and steering. 7. Fluid analysis. 7A. Regularly conduct fluid analysis, oil, hydraulic fluid, coolant, to identify potential issues such as contamination, wear, or internal problems. Address any abnormalities promptly. 8. Keep it clean. 8A. Regularly clean the bulldozer, including the engine compartment, radiator, and undercarriage, to prevent the buildup of dirt and debris that can lead to overheating and component damage. 9. Operator training. 9A. Ensure bulldozer operators are properly trained in equipment operation and basic maintenance tasks. 9B. Instruct operators to report any abnormalities or unusual sounds promptly. 10. Store properly. 10A. If the bulldozer is not in use for an extended period, store it in a dry, sheltered area to protect it from the elements. 10B. Follow manufacturer recommendations for long-term storage procedures. 11. Keep records. 11A. Maintain detailed records of all maintenance activities, including dates, hours of operation, parts replaced, and any issues encountered. 11B. Use these records to track maintenance history and plan future maintenance tasks. 12. Professional inspection. 12A. Periodically, have a qualified technician or mechanic perform a comprehensive inspection to identify potential issues and ensure compliance with safety standards. 13. Use genuine parts. 13A. When replacing parts or components, use genuine manufacturer parts to ensure compatibility and reliability. Implementing a preventive maintenance plan and adhering to a regular schedule is essential for prolonging the life of your bulldozer, minimizing downtime, and reducing long-term operational costs. Regular maintenance can also enhance safety on the worksite and help maintain the machine's resale value. Friends, We have explained in brief about maintenance and inspection of Bulldozer, routine maintenance tasks and schedules of Bulldozer, inspecting and troubleshooting Bulldozer, preventive maintenance for extended Bulldozer life. We request all to mention your view and requirement in comments section of YouTube video. Also like and share to your friend. Also subscribe our YouTube channel Infomechanizer. This is 100% free.